What a vibrant ecosystem we have there.
Oh yeah.
Hey everyone, I'm SubQuery. My name's James. And to start with, what do we solve? This is the problem we face. If we start to build complex decentralized applications in Surabaya, we're going to need better access to data. And the challenge here is that the data, the way it's stored on smart contract layers like Surabaya, isn't really that excellent in terms of being able to query that data for complex applications that feel like a Web 2 application for a user. So querying down directly from the chain isn't really feasible for large scale applications. And so SubQuery is an indexer. It solves this problem. It is an open source indexer that allows developers to index, transform, to query blockchain data from their smart contracts to their applications, to power their applications. So think of it like a custom API for your project. It's not an off-the-shelf API, it's a custom API for your smart contracts. And it works seamlessly across Stellar and Surabaya. It fits in this way. So if you're building a smart contract kind of app, you might have a front end of React, you might use an RPC interface provider or Horizon, you interact with Surabaya, you might also have some oracles and have MySQL software storage there, but SubQuery sits on the side there. It's a data pipeline for your front ends. We focus on building a leading multi-chain data indexer, and we make sure it's as fast as possible. It's block time optimizing the speed, indexing speed. We make sure it's flexible, that you can index whatever you want, from whatever contract you want. That it's open source, you can edit, you can customize it, you can run it whatever way you want. And it's universal. It works in Stellar, it works in Surabaya, it works on many other chains out there in many different ecosystems. So wherever you're building, it will work for you. So how does it work? It's very simple. It's 3 steps, and it's basically a set of instructions on how to index data. So it's not you're just building a pipeline basically. The first step is define the schema. We define our schemas in GraphQL. I'm indexing in this case payments, credits, and debits. And so I define my entity types. I think these they map towards like tables in a database, for example. The second step is I populate a manifest. The manifest is the what and the when am I indexing. So in this case, there's 4 different types on Stellar and Surabaya. So on Stellar we have block handlers, and each every block do something. We also have operation handlers, effect handlers. Within Surabaya we have transaction handlers and event handlers. So a common pattern would be that your smart contract emits an event when something happens, and you would filter that particular event. In this case, we have a transfer event right at the bottom there. And whenever we scan the chain and we encounter an event from your contract that matches that topic, we will run something. In this case, we'll run a little mapping function like this. We receive that Stellar effect or Stellar event. We pull some data off it. We update some data to the database, read something, check if it exists. We then create the entity that we defined before. It's all typed out nicely. We save that to the database, and running this locally using Docker, we'll scan the entire chain, we'll index the data according to the instructions that you have here, and at the end you get a custom GraphQL API. So you can then query the data directly from your front end app, and it provides that rich and more indexed data to your front end. So it's faster performance-wise, but it also has more complex information. So aggregations are possible. We're going to do a DeFi application that shows historic rates of change over time. That's absolutely possible. We provide a managed service. You can run it yourself. When no one's run production infrastructure, we provide a managed service where you can run it and we'll host it for you for free. And we're also building a decentralized network, which is this decentralization where you can run your project, give it up as a network, someone else can index it for you, you can reward them with tokens, but it basically means that you can decentralize that piece of your application. So it's now working. We've actually got the dev version out, released it earlier this week. If you want to play with it, it's on I'll put some documentation somewhere. But contact me there if you want a demo. I'm happy to give you that. I wanted to show you how it works. It's very simple. There are many teams already in this group that I know that are trying it out and using it. But it will certainly help you and save you time when you go out there to build your applications within Stellar and within Surabaya. So let me know how it goes. Thanks, guys.